Alright, so here's the box. AAWireless, scan the QR code below to set you up your device, blah, 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 blah. AAWireless.app. Nothing else. Alright, let's open this. Alright. Alright, so we have a little USB cable. Looks pretty high quality. It's like nylon wrapped or something. USB regular and then USB-C. Would have preferred to be USB-C, USB-C, but I guess most of these cars that don't have wireless don't have the latest version of everything. Wow, this thing is small. Hey, wireless. The reset button, USB-C. Really lightweight. Kind of sounds hollow. Don't know what that does. I wonder if it's like a microphone or something, but overall, it looks okay. Looks kind of interesting. A little it feels, don't want to say cheap, but it does kind of feel cheap. Like it doesn't feel flimsy or anything. So I'm overall happy with the size. I'll probably never see this, or hopefully I'll never see it, right? And so it probably won't be a problem. All right, we're in the car. Got the AAWireless app installed. Let's open it up. Wants to log in. Already have my email. Already have my password. You can't see it. All right, so I've already gone through the developer settings and I already enabled this. Make sure that your phone has wireless projection settings enabled. You have to be in developer mode, so to do that, it tells you pretty much how to do it. I've been doing this stuff for years with Android, and so it's not a big deal to me. All right, so start setup. So first thing it wants you to do is start the car. This is mostly just to make sure that the Android wireless has power. My seat's moving forward. Let's move my seat back. All right, car's running all right, thankfully. Obviously nothing's in. Let me shut the door. Alright, it wants to raise location because it thinks I'm leaving, but okay, whatever. So the AAWireless device is right here. It comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable. I previously used this little 6-inch cable that's just pure USB-C. This worked great for connecting to the phone directly, but it did not work for the AAWireless when I tried it a few minutes ago. So I'm going to keep this obviously in the car just in case the device stops working for some reason, but you know, it's not going to work for the device. I do remember reading them saying that. Alright, so the car is started. Says to go next, plug the AAWireless in. So let's plug the AAWireless in. So it's a simple connection. The light turns solid green, and then I think it starts flashing blue eventually. But we're not going to pay attention to that right now. We're going to go to next. It is searching for the device. Okay, so it found the device. Clicked OK. My understanding is it's basically transmitting the user or the login credentials to the Wi-Fi through Bluetooth. It asks if I want to allow it to do everything. I don't know if I need to or not, but I'm going to go for it anyways. I believe that's still all Bluetooth settings at that point. Okay, so it just beeped. Okay, so it selected on the screen to start. Okay, so I guess it's already working. Battery is low on the Pixel. Yep, I understand that. And so it opens up. I check Hangouts, weather, whatever I want. And it seems to work. Let's see how quick it does. Let's go to home and play a Super Mix. That seemed to work pretty quick. I'd say this is pretty much just as fast as it was previously. Move around the map. All the settings still seem to be there.
Okay, so before I close out the video, I want to give a few last impressions. First off, the setup process actually didn't go that smoothly for me. It took a few tries for it to work out. Not exactly sure what the issue was. I thought it was the cable, I thought it was a couple different things, but eventually it worked. Every time I tried, though, I had to basically go into the app, clear the cache and the data, and then restart the process for the filming. But I probably wouldn't have had to do that if I wasn't trying to film it. The second, I guess I would describe as the bigger issue, at least at first, for me was when I remote started the car, the AA wireless, when I got into the car, I'd press the power button. The AA wireless would never connect to the head unit. And so I wasn't sure exactly what the issue was. I had a few ideas of how to solve it, but I ended up going to XDA developers, and one of the other beta testers, Spindlewood, actually said he had the same problem with his Audi. And he suggested going to the USB settings inside the app and changing it from MTP to direct. And so far, that has solved the problem. I've only tested it a few times since then, so only time will tell if it really is solved. But overall, I am very pleased with the device. It's really small, it's convenient. Sure, if I have to plug it in a couple times to get it restarted or whatever, you know, that's a lot better to do it every few, 10% of the time versus 100% of the time. So overall, I'm really happy with the purchase, and I'm glad to see it works properly.